Hey guys, what's going on? There's nothing wrong with your television, computer, smartphone. I want to show you the turbo kit. So, for the most part, the hot side, actually all of the hot side is complete on both sides. We've got the bigger turbos on there. We've got the mounts. We've got it V-banded to our Z1 full downpipes. We will have to modify these probably to fit. They're a little crooked. I might just have to cut the ends off and V-band it. I don't know, I'll figure it out, but that's all welded up, complete, mounted. This side is done, complete, welded, mounted. Z1 downpipes, big boy turbos. We don't have the AC compressor on. I have to make some mounts for that, so that's out of the way so we can do our big boy 3-inch intakes. Yeah guys, so this is what we're gonna look like. Get a little front action for you guys. My only gripe is that that side isn't tucked in like that side. But that's because of the orientation of the exhaust housing. I guess I maybe could have modified it, but whatever. It'll fit. I've measured like 20 million times. If not, I can always make it fit, right? So that's done. The next thing I'm going to work on is finishing the mounting bracket for the AC compressor. The AC compressor, like I said, it was in the way just a little bit. I'm going to make a bracket to kind of tilt it, but it'll still be in line, so we'll be good to go on that. There's my intercooler. I wrapped it in the heat wrapping. After we get the AC compressor mounted with the new brackets I'm making, we will be able to then work on the wastegate mounts for both sides. Once we get the wastegates mounted, I'll clock them in the right position, the turbos for the oil supply and the oil drain and the coolant. And then I'm going to decide if I'm going to cut, weld, reuse the OEM hard piping, or if I'm going to make new lines for that. I haven't figured it out yet. I might just cut and weld and reuse it because I have lines from this motor and I have lines from another motor. So I have enough. So I shouldn't have to purchase new stuff, but we'll see. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. It looks good with the full downpipes. Man, I love the way that side looks all tucked in. Maybe I should just redo the side. No, I'm not doing that. Anyway, yeah, we're getting there. Like, comment, subscribe. Coming real soon.